Courtroom sketches, Trump entering courthouse, crowds of reporters, headline flash, Trump faces new charges. Trial date set, legal pressure mounts. Donald Trump's legal battles are far from over. As the 2024 election draws nearer, the former president is now intertwined in multiple court cases at both the state and federal levels. And the legal calendar is packed. Trump walking into a courthouse, protesters and supporters clashing outside, police presence. From classified documents to election interfaces, the legal walls are closing in while Trump continues to campaign for a return to the White House. Here's where things stand. Case #1, the Federal Election Interface case. Led by Special Counsel Jack Smith, this case accuses Trump of attempting to overturn the 2020 election results, particularly in the lead up to January 6th. Trump has pleaded not guilty to all charges, but a trial is now scheduled for October 2025, just weeks before Election Day. Capitol Riot, court sketches, clips of Jack Smith speaking. Legal analysts say the case could hinge on Trump's intent and whether this speech and actions directly incited legal conduct. Case #2, the classified documents case. In Florida, Trump faces charges for mishandling classified material after leaving office and obstructing federal efforts to retrieve it. This includes allegations that he stored documents in unauthorized locations at a Mar-a-Lago, including bathrooms and ballrooms. A judge recently rejected Trump's motion to dismiss, meaning the case moves forward with pre-trial hearings already underway. Mar-a-Lago aerial shots, boxes of documents, courtroom reenactments. Trump's legal team insists it's a political witch hunt, but prosecutor claims the evidence is overwhelming. Case #3, the Georgia election RICO case. In Fulton County, Georgia, Trump and 18 others were indicted under racketeering laws ties to effort to overturn the 2020 vote count. This includes the now infamous phone call where Trump asked the Georgia Secretary of State to behind 11,780 votes. Several co-defendants have already taken plea deals and Trump's team is fighting to delay the trial until after the election. Georgia courthouse audio from Trump's phone call, courtroom sketches. Legal experts say the RICO charges could be among the most damaging if proven. Trump was recently ordered to pay over $80 million in damages to writer E. Jean Carroll in a defamation lawsuit. And in New York, Attorney General Letitia James has successfully surprised a civil fraud judgment resulting in fines and restrictions on Trump's business empire. Trump Tower, NY courthouse financial records being examined. All this comes as Trump maintains front-runner status in the GOP primary and remains defiant. Trump said that they are not after me, they are after you. I am just standing in the way. But the real question, can Trump run for president while facing multiple criminal trials? Legally, yes. Even if convicted, Trump could still run and even serve as president from prison, according to constitutional scholars. But politically, the impact is murkier. Biden speaking on democracy, voters being interviewed, polling vote charts. Voters' sentiment is deeply divided. Democrats view the trials as essential to accountability. Republicans see them as the coordinated attack, and the independents they are watching closely, especially in swing states. Trump tells what's next. Subscribe for real-time updates on 2024 legal ruling and political fallout. With court days colliding with campaign stops and verdicts possibly dropping before ballots act cast 2025 may go down as the most legally dramatic election year in American history. Follow for ongoing legal analysis, election coverage, and breaking headlines.